In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move cells in Google Sheets. If you need to reorganize information in your spreadsheet, moving cells is a quick and practical way to clean things up without having to retype anything. This is especially helpful when you're adjusting the order of data, fixing layout mistakes, or simply making your sheet easier to read. To get started, open your Google Sheet and make sure you're on the sheet where the data you want to move is located. Take a moment to identify exactly which row contains the cells you want to reposition. Being clear about what you're moving first helps avoid accidental changes, especially if your sheet contains a lot of information. Once you're in the correct sheet, look to the far left side where the row numbers appear, find the row number for the row you want to move, then click on that row number to select it. This highlights the entire row, which tells Google Sheets that you're working with everything across that line. Now with the row selected, move your cursor over the border of the selected row. This part is important because the cursor needs to change before you drag. As you hover over the edge, watch for it to turn into a hand icon. That change indicates that the row is ready to be moved rather than edited. When you see the hand icon, click and drag the row to its new location in the sheet. As you drag, Google Sheets will show you where the row is about to be placed. Take your time here so you can drop it in the correct spot. Once you release your mouse, the row will move to the new position. If the row doesn't move right away, the most common reason is that the cursor wasn't placed exactly on the row border. Simply try again, making sure the row is selected and the pointer changes to the hand icon before dragging. Small cursor placement details can make a big difference here. This method is useful because it preserves the data while letting you rearrange your spreadsheet quickly. It's a simple skill, but one that can save time whenever you're organizing reports, lists, schedules, or any table of information in Google Sheets. And that's all it takes to move cells by moving their row in Google Sheets. Once you've done it once or twice, it becomes very natural and much faster than copying and pasting data manually.